Okay, I'm going to try to remove my water pump from the top, not from the bottom. Let's see how this goes. Gotta find the, let me find the screws that are in there. I think I could fill them from here, or I might have to go from the bottom. Let me see. Okay, I think there's one right there. Where's that other one? Down below. There's one right there, though. Let's see. Okay, let me try that one. It's going to be a little tricky. Might have to go from the bottom, which I don't want to since my vehicle is open. From, let's see. I guess I'll do it from the bottom. I don't want to, but I guess I don't have a choice. Okay, I'm going to go from the bottom. I'm recording from the top. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see if I can get this from the bottom. Let's see what we got going on. All right, there's one. See if I can get it out. At that extension. See if I can get this out. Okay. All right, that's one screw. Okay, let me see. That other one is up here. Let me see. The other screw's right there. Let me see if I can position it to get it. Let me go shorter. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Let me see if I can get this up in here. Okay, where is it? Let's see. It's right. See. There. Where's it at? I got that one. There's another one up here though. Okay, right there. Yeah, see it. Let's see. Put this in there and shoot it up. Okay. I'll get that on there. It's kind of tricky. Up in here. I'll get it. Gonna see if I can get my 10mm ratchet in there. Let's see. Okay. See if I can get this 10mm ratchet. Let's see if I can get this up in there. See if I can get that up and around. Might be a little tricky. Let's see if I can get that on there. Okay. Maybe. Let's see. No. It's not long enough. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me try to get it from up here. See if I go from the bottom. Let's see. See if I can go from the bottom. Okay, let me go from the bottom here and let me get in there. Okay, now let me roll it up. Okay, let me see if I could get it. Okay, where the heck is it? Let me see. Okay, that's it right there. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. You can best believe I'm gonna get it. It's just tricky maneuvering. I'm having a difficult time getting my crankshaft pulley off, so I'm gonna have to do that last. So I'm gonna try. Okay. Let me go smaller. Okay. I believe I can get it from here. I'm going to try. Let's see. Got a smaller at the extension on it. Let's see what happens. Okay. See if it's going to be long enough to... See, I think the problem is it's not long enough to attach. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to try to get the water pump from on top. Let's see. Okay, it's right here. It's a 10 inch. Okay, let me turn it around. Wrong way, let me see. Okay, let's see. This should be it. Okay, I gotta get some leverage. Let me switch arms. Let me adjust my camera. It's gonna have to be a little bit higher up. Let me adjust my camera so I can get a better picture, video rather. Okay, let me try to get some leverage on this. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see in my left hand if I can get it. My left and my right. Let's see. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see. I think I got it. Let me see. Let me see. I think I got it. Let me see here. Try to unscrew it. Let's see. I think it's coming unscrewed. There's a couple more screws I have to get to. Okay, let me see. That's... yeah. Okay, let me do this. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my left hand for leverage. Sorry, I don't want, I'm trying to, let me reposition my camera. Okay, I repositioned my camera, hopefully. It's gonna be a great shot. Let me see, it should be, let's see. Okay. Okay, that one. Okay, see if that is unscrewed. Wait a minute. Wrong way. This is a 10 millimeter bolt, by the way. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if that got it loose. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm not going to take it all the way out. I'm just going to loosen these bolts. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. Let me see. Let's see if that's a screw. Yep, that's 1, 2. Let me see. Okay, let me get this top one. Okay. It's not too bad. That was loose. Okay, that one's loose. Okay, let me see this one here. Okay, I got that one. Let's see. Okay. 3. And let me see, did I get, okay, I got that one on the bottom. Okay, this last one I'm gonna have to get from the bottom. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Wait, I think I was tightening it. Hold on. Okay, yeah, I was tightening it, my bad. Let me do that again. Loosen it, not tighten it. Okay, there we go. Take that bolt out. Unscrew it from here. Let's see. Let me get my ratchet. Let's see. Here. That's right there. Surely it's coming. fuck on, man? Oh, fuck. Fucking bees, dog. I'm trying to get stung, bro. Jeez. Land. I'm gonna fucking kill your ass. Okay, let me take these other ones off and I'll be able to grab that. Okay, I'm gonna take these other ones off and hopefully I'll be able to grab it. I loosened it. I mean, it's totally loose, so just got to get it from up here. Okay, there's another screw. I think there's like 5 screws. So that was 2. Here's 3. Okay, here's 4. So I guess there's 5 screws. Yeah, there's 5 screws on the water pump. Well, the good thing is I'm getting ready to remove it. I've already drained my antifreeze. So, okay, so let's see if I could. Might have to get a crowbar. Let me see if I can get this. Let me get a screwdriver.
You're fixing to buy the stuff.
Yeah. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, here comes antifreeze. Okay, I still got a couple screws on here. Let me get, I got 2 more screws on here. Got 2 more screws on here I gotta get. Let's see. Get my 10mm. So I get the rest of this one off. So it's a total of, let's see, 6 bolts? Huh, I thought there were only 5. I guess there is 6. Let's see, hold on. Nope, wrong way. Okay, had it the wrong way. See. Okay, let's see. Boy, I tell you what, that oil leak really jacked me up. Okay, slowly but surely, DIYers, it's coming off. Because I had so much oil from my oil leak, it's just, it's challenging. We're almost there. I'm down to 2 bolts. And I'm having to go a little bit slower than I would like to, but that's what it is. That's what it's letting me do. I have to go slow. Okay, let me see if I could get it from here. It's kind of... So let me see. Let me get this one down here. Try to. It's almost out. I might just be able to go on the bottom and unscrew that. I think I will. Okay, let me see. Okay, 5. And my last bolt is right here for it to come off, so let me see what I could do. Trying to unscrew it by my hand, but it's not letting me, so just gonna have to go slow with the socket or the wrench. Hopefully this will allow it to do it. It's putting a little weight on it, so hopefully by me that's what I need. It's almost there. The only reason it's allowing me to do it is because there's weight on it. It's the last screw that's in there, and all the weight is on it, so it's allowing my wrench to go back and forth. It's not giving me a lot, but it's giving me enough to get it out, so that's all I care. You can hear it a little bit. Dang. It's long. There we go. Got it. All right, water pump is out. Okay, there it is. Okay, 6 screws. That's it. Okay, it's the water pump. So the water pump is out. Let me take a look at it. Yep, it's the original water pump. So I'm believing that all of my pulleys are the original Honda parts. That's what it is, which is amazing because my vehicle, when I bought it, had 180,000 miles. This is a water pump. Now I have 183,000 miles. I bought my vehicle in April of 2025. It's September of 2025. I've only put 3,000 miles on it. But I am so impressed at the fact that all of my pulleys are all original Honda parts from 2002. This is the original water pump. That's crazy. So, original water pump, original crankshaft, original AC compressor, original power steering pump, original tensioner. Honda builds an incredible vehicle. So, that's the original. So I'm replacing all of my pulleys with brand new aftermarket. They're all aftermarket parts. I'm gonna try them and see how they work, because I couldn't find OEM parts for my pulleys. I think the only OEM part I was able to come across was the AC compressor, and they wanted like $600 for that. So I'm gonna try something different, aftermarket parts, and then I'll go back on to Honda and to eBay and continue to shop. And if I come across these pulleys, I'll just purchase them when they're available. All right.